Good morning, children. Today I will tell you a short story of Akbar and Birbal. Akbar was a king of Mughal Empire and Birbal was his minister. Birbal was very intelligent, humorous, and a witty person. One day, King Akbar wanted to test his ministers, and so he asked them a question. He drew a line on the board and asked them to make the line shorter without touching the line. Nobody could do it. Birbal came forward and said that he would make the line shorter. He took a chalk piece and drew another line bigger than the line drawn on the board. So now the line which Akbar drew became shorter. Everyone in the court praised Birbal for his intelligence. Today we will learn about another intelligent and wise person. His name was Tenali Rama. He was a jester in the court of King Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. Let's see how Tenali Rama became a jester in the king's court. The title of the lesson is How Tenali Rama Became a Jester. I will read the lesson. Children, please follow it and understand. In a South Indian village called Tenali, there lived a clever boy. His name was Rama. Once a wandering sage saw him and liked his looks and clever ways. So he taught him a prayer and told him, "Go to the goddess Kali's temple one night and recite these words 3,000,000 times. She will appear before you and give you whatever you ask for." So there was a little boy whose name was Tenali. His name was Rama, and he lived in a South Indian village called Tenali. So that is why everybody used to call him Tenali Rama. This little boy, was very clever. Once a wandering sage came to his village. He saw this boy. He liked his looks and his clever ways because he was very clever. He liked him very much. So the sage taught this little boy Rama a prayer and told him to go to goddess Kali's temple one night and say this prayer 3,000,000 times before goddess Kali's statue, and she will appear before you and you can ask her for your whatever you wish for. So next paragraph. Rama went to Kali's temple outside his village and did as he was told. The goddess appeared before him with her several faces and 2 hands. When the boy looked at her appearance, he wasn't frightened. He began laughing. Angry, the goddess asked him, "Why are you laughing at me?" So the boy, now what happened? The boy, he learnt the prayer that the sage taught him. And one night, he went to the Kali temple, which was outside his village. And he went there to the temple and he started saying the prayer which the sage taught him. And as he was saying the prayer, as he finished his prayer, the goddess appeared before Rama. And She had several faces. Several faces means she had many faces and two hands. So when the boy looked at her appearance, instead of getting frightened, he began laughing. And the goddess got angry because he was laughing at her. So she asked him, "Why are you laughing at me?" Now let's see what reply he gives. Rama answered, "Oh mother, we humans have lot of trouble wiping our noses when we catch a cold, though we have two hands and only one nose. If you, with your many faces, catch a cold, how will you manage with just two hands for all those noses?" So, why did he laugh? He laughed because she had so many faces and only two hands. So, he tells, now when we catch cold, when we get cold, we find it difficult to keep wiping our nose, though we have only one nose and two hands. We have problem. And what will you do when you catch cold? You have got so many noses. How will you manage with only two hands? He asked the goddess. The goddess was furious. She said, "Since you laughed at me, you will be a Vikata Kavi, a jester." So the goddess was furious. Furious means she was very angry with him. And she said, "Since you laughed at me, you will become a Vikata Kavi, a jester." Vikata Kavi means a jester. And what is a jester? Jester is a person who makes people laugh at a king's court. So you will become like a joker. Okay. So now let's see what Rama says. "Oh, Vikata Kavi, that's terrific. It's a palindrome," replied Rama. The goddess was pleased by Rama's cleverness that saw a joke even in a curse. She at once became calm and said, "You'll become a Vikata Kavi. You'll be a Vikata Kavi, but you will be a jester to a king." And she vanished. So he says, Vikata Kavi, oh, that's terrific. He was very happy. Vikata Kavi, that's terrific. It's a palindrome. Now, what is a palindrome? A palindrome is a word which reads the same even when you read it from backwards. Okay, a word which reads the same even when you read from backwards, the same word it will be. So, the goddess now cooled down and she was very happy, pleased. She was very pleased that seeing Rama's cleverness, that he took even a curse as a joke. She had cursed him, but he didn't take it seriously. He took it as a joke. Okay, now what is curse? Curse is to wish for something bad to happen to others. Okay, so at once she cooled down, she calmed down and said, "You will be a Vikata Kavi, but you will be a jester to a king. You will be a jester in a king's court." And she vanished. Vanished means disappeared. In this way, Tenali Rama began to live as a jester in the court of King Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. So this is how Tenali Rama became a jester in the court of King Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. Children, will just go through some new words and their meanings. Now, jester. Who is a jester? Is a person who amuses people at a king's court. Amuses people means who makes people laugh in a king's court. Next, terrific. Terrific meaning is wonderful or very good. Frightened. Frightened means afraid. Several. Several means many. Here in this lesson, the goddess had several faces. Several faces means many faces. Curse. curse here. The goddess, when Tenali Rama laughs at the goddess, she curses him. So, what is the meaning of curse? Curse means a wish for something bad to happen to others. So, something bad should happen to others. That is called as, that is curse. Furious. When Tenali Rama laughed at the goddess was furious. Furious means what? She got very angry. Furious means very angry. Vanished. Now the goddess, after blessing him, saying that Tenali will be a jester in the king's court, she vanished. Vanished means she disappeared. Vanish means disappear. Palindrome. Now what is a palindrome? It is a word which reads the same even when you read backwards. Okay. For example, they have given here madam, M-A-D-A-M, madam. Now, when you read it from backwards, also it will be M-A-D-A-M, madam. And next, N-O-O-N, noon. When you read it from backwards, also it will be N-O-O-N, noon. I hope, children, you have understood this lesson. Thank you. Read this lesson and try to understand.